Hey guys, a video on the S&P 500. We have turned green here after going down like minus 1.1% in the pre-market. Backed by the inflation data, I guess that was the boost here. I'm not an expert, but don't even know what the difference is between core inflation rate and inflation rate. Let's just look that up. Sure rate. Core excludes food and energy costs. And then general is everything, so core excludes food and energy costs. Okay, and this inflation rate, the jump here will be because of the war and the gasoline prices, especially. I think, yeah, food will also go up, but I guess month over month this is good actually, that we have, yeah, in the month May compared to the month of June, I think, yeah, 0.2 when the forecast was 0.3 and the previous time was 0.4, meaning that, yeah, the war has been going on for a few months. Month over month during the war we have a decline. I think that's maybe a good thing. Similar here, okay, even though it did beat the forecast, we are lower than the previous month, so that's good. Year over year is obviously higher because last year there was no war, the oil prices were not so so high as they are now. Okay, wanted to look at something else as well, but no need to. Now locally here we dumped back to this first fib and to the box. Zooming in, you'll see what these fibs are. Before zooming in, confirmed 4-hour bullish divergence here. Nice candle here, nice volume candle in the low. That's really nice here on the 4-hour, and then on the 1-hour, this is a nice push. Here it looked like a 3-wave move. Here, nope. I assumed this as a potential wave 1. I pulled fibs from the low to the high, and we have tested the 0.618 together with that first larger fib here at 7,300, and we have bounced from it, and now with increasing volume we have been pushing. What I did then is also here internally I did add some fibs before the data came out, or like when the data came out. Trend line here, we pushed that as well. Next up is this point of control of this range at 7,417, and then I pulled these fibs here, the 1-to-1, as a target box for a potential ABC, after which we should move down if we want to be bearish. I'm not leaning towards that. Also, we have got this 618 here as the invalidation for that bearish scenario, in which we want to count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Low probabilities already because this is a 3-wave move, not a 5-wave move. So yeah, looking good for now. Let's see if we can continue here. Point of control first, and then these levels, hitting them will confirm that this is a 3-wave move to the downside. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.